Welcome to Analyst Sultan. Today we are unpacking some essential tracking Facebook conversion API, Google Analytics for server-side tracking, and Google Ads server-side tracking. What is the meaning of conversion API? First up, let's talk about the conversion API, often referred to as a copy. Essentially, the conversion API is the Facebook's way to allowing business to send web events like page view for submissions and purchase directly from their server to Facebook. Traditionally, these events were tracked through pixel or cookies on your website, but with the conversion API, you are connecting Facebook directly to your backend, making data or reliable. This is particularly useful and ensure accurate data even when user opt out of cookie-based tracking. iOS 14 update and its impact on ads. Now, the iOS 14 update has made a big impact on how we track users. With Apple's app tracking transparency framework, ISO user can opt out of tracking across app and website. This has affected platforms like Facebook and Google because fewer people allow their activities to be tracked through cookie or pixels. Or advertiser, this means less visibility into customer behavior, even like website visit or purchase might not be recorded of user out of tracking. However, user server-side tracking solution like the conversion API for Google Analytics 4 can help recover some of this data loss as they don't rely on browser-based tracking. What is meant by server side? Moving on, let's define server side. In the context of digital tracking, server side offers to processing and sending data from your website servers rather than from the user's browsers. When you rely on client side tracking, data is captured through the user browser, which is often blocked by a ad blocker or browser restriction. Server side tracking bypass this by sending data directly from the server. This way, even if the browser blocks certain tracking cookies or pixels, the server can still really key event to platform like Facebook or Google Analytics 4. What are the benefits of server-side tracking? Server-side tracking offers several benefits. First, it increases data accuracy since it doesn't rely on their user browser. Your data is less likely to be affected by browser updates or ad blockers. Second, it enhances privacy and compliance because the data is controlled from your server. You can limit the information shared, keeping it privacy compliant while still gather valuable insights. Third, server-side tracking is more reliable for cross-device measurement. This approach reduces discrepancies across device, giving a more consistent view of the customer journey. Lastly, server-side tracking can improve page load times by reducing the number of tracking scripts on the user browser, leading to a faster user experience. In this video, I will discuss topic including Facebook conversion API track website action, boost ad performance, GA4 server-side tracking, GA4 server-side tracking, boost accuracy and privacy, Google Ads conversion track action to optimize Google Ad performance, first-party tracking, directly data collection, enhance user experiments and privacy. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to Analyst Sultan YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss about how to track Facebook conversion API for browser side tracking. In this part I will discuss about how to tag Facebook view content, add to cart, initiate checkout and purchase tracking. So let's get started. This is my demo website. I want to tag Facebook pixel, purchase, add to cart and initiate checkout tracking. So firstly I need to connect Google Tag Manager on my website. So this is my Google Tag Manager account. I copy this GTM ID. Then I need to go website dashboard. Then click on add new plugin. Then search on GTM4WP. GTM4WP. This is the plugin GTM4WP, a Google Tag Manager plugin for WordPress. Need to install and then click on active. My plugin activated. If I click settings, then scroll down. This is the Google Tag Manager. Then click here. Enter your Google Tag Manager ID. I already copied that. Then click on Save Changes. If you see that Google container ID is off, so need to click on. So if I click Google Tag Manager preview button, copy your website URL, then put here, then click connect. This is the Google Tag Assistant Legacy plugin. Enable that, then reload again. If I check here our Google Tag Manager connect on our website, then check again Google Tag Manager debug view. Our all website data container loaded and the container installations window loaded. So our Google Tag Manager connected on our website. I need to enable website data layer, so need to go our website dashboard, then find out Google Tag Manager. This is the Google Tag Manager. Then go to instigation, then click on e-commerce. I need to enable website data layer, so need to click e-commerce, track e-commerce check mark. Then scroll down, then enable customer data, order in data. Then click on e-commerce object before new event. Then click Save Changes. Need to go Google Tag Manager again, then click on preview button. Click any product. If I see that Google Tag Manager debug view, our product, everything, every data is here, like product name, product ID. This is the product name. If you see that our product name is here and product price and product price here. So our data layer is enabled. So I want to connect Facebook Pixel on my website. So go to Google Event Manager, then click on Settings. Then click Facebook Pixel ID or dataset ID. Then go to again Google Tag Manager, then click on Tags. Then click on New. Then click Discover more tags types in the community template. Then search on Facebook Pixel. I need sometimes search on Facebook Pixel. This is my tag template. Then click on Add to Workspace. Then Add. I want to connect Facebook Pixel on my website, so need here to Facebook Pixel ID. I copy again. This is my Pixel ID. Then paste here. We want to track many event for Facebook, so I need this the Pixel ID many times. So I will create a constant variable. So click. So click here, then click plus icon, then scroll down, find out constant, then paste your Pixel ID, then given a name. Pixel ID, then click Save Changes. Now everything is here. Now click on all pages, then given a name Facebook page view event, page view tags. Then click Save Changes. If I click preview button again, then click our Facebook meta pixel helper. If I check here, our pixel ID connected on my website and our PHP event is tag is fired. If I again check Google Tag Manager debug view, we will see that our Facebook page view tag fired. I want to track many events, so next targeted event is Facebook view content. So I will click any product like this product. If I click the Google Tag Manager debug view, then click data layer, we want to tag product ID, product item name, product price, and product ID, product currency, and product value. So I need to create some parameter and like some variables. So I will create that. So go to Google Tag Manager, then click on Tag Sections and click New. Then find out Facebook pixel. So need the pixel ID. So I already created a Facebook pixel constant variable. So click on plus icon, then find out Facebook pixel. So this is my pixel. So I want to tag Facebook view content. So find out view content. This is the view content. Then scroll down. Then find out object properties. I need to create some object properties like this event name. So copy that event name, event type, event name, content name, sorry, content IDs, value, and currency. If you have question why I found this type of object properties, if you check Facebook pixel documentation, you can find that I already created this documentation followed by Facebook pixel event. So I will create this variable. Our event name is view content. If you check here, our event name view content. So I copy that view content. It's not mandatory. Then content type. Our content type is product. So copy that. Then paste here. Content name. If you check data layer, if I want to contact content name, so firstly need to copy e-commerce, then items. This is the object. After object e-commerce, then object start from dot, then array start index start from 0, then click item name. So I need to content name, so click on plus icon, then click plus, then find out data layer variable, then copy e-commerce, then this is the array, sorry, this is the object, so need to dot, then copy items, paste here, then click dot, then this is the array, so need to 0, then dot. I need item name, so copy that, and need a name. This is the name. So save cell. Then need content ID, so copy again e-commerce, then click on variables, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then dot, then items, copy and paste here, then dot. This is the array, so need to add 0, then dot, then id, item id, then given it a name, so copy that, then paste here, then need value, then again click on plus icon, then click plus, then find out data layer variable, then copy e-commerce, then paste here, then dot, then items, then dot, then 0, then dot, then item price, this is the price, then paste here, and need a name, so copy again this name, then click save changes. I need a currency, so click again plus icon, then click plus icon, then find out data layer variable, then copy e-commerce, then paste here, then dot, then currency, this is the currency, so copy this currency, then paste here, then DLB currency, DLB means data layer variable, and save changes. Then scroll down, everything okay, so need to add trigger, so click on plus, then find out custom event. If I check here, event name is view item, so copy that. Our data layer event name is view item, so paste here, then need a name. If I check my documentation, this is trigger is view item, so click given a name, then click save. Then need a event name, FB view content text, then click on save. Our view content text setup okay, so I need to click preview button, then click any product. If I check our metapixel helper, so we will show that our Facebook view content tag setup finally okay, and we will see our every data is here. If I click again Google Tag Manager debug view, we will see that our view content tags already fired. So now I need to create a Facebook add to cart event. If I check again our view content event and the add to cart event schema same to same, so I will copy our view content in tag, so copy that, then change the event change the name, this is the add to cart, then change event name, add to cart, then click on object properties, need to change that, then copy event name, then paste here, then I need to change trigger sections. If I click add to cart button, we will see our debug tag manager debug view, our event is add to cart, so I need to copy this add to cart and check again our schema like view content and add to cart schema already same to same, so I will copy the add to cart event name, so copy that, then click create a triggering, so find out custom event, then paste here, then paste a name, add to cart trigger, then click save, then click on save, then preview, click on preview button, or go to our website, then click on any product. Our view page view and view content tag already fired, so click on add to cart button. If I click add to cart button, we will see debug our Facebook add to cart tags already fired, so our tag template tag set up perfectly. Okay, so now I want to create initiate checkout, so click on a new, then find out Facebook pixel tag template, then need a Facebook pixel ID, so find out Facebook pixel ID, then I want to track initiate checkout, so find out initiate checkout. Where is initiate checkout? This is the initiate checkout. Then click on object properties. I need some object properties. This is the event name, content type, content name, content IDs, and value and currency. I need to create some extra variable, so firstly I create that some extra variable and copy this variable name, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then copy again this name, then paste here, then click save, then copy. I need to event name is initiate checkout, so copy this initiate checkout, then paste here, then need to content type is product, so copy, then need to content name. If any visitor click on initiate checkout, he or she purchase many product, so need to tag many product, so I need a JavaScript, so copy this JavaScript code, then find out custom JavaScript, sorry, this is not, then click again, then find out custom JavaScript, then paste this code, then given the name, then click on save, then I need to content ID JavaScript code, then click on plus icon, then custom JavaScript, then copy this code, then paste here, and need to give a name, then click on save. I need value, so I need to create a variable, so click any add to cart product, sorry, I need to click initiate checkout page, then proceed to checkout, then click on begin checkout, this is the event. If I want to tag value, so I need to create another variables like e-commerce, then value, so copy e-commerce, so click here, then click on plus icon, then data layer variable, then paste e-commerce, then dot. I need to value, so copy this value. Then need a name, can given a name DLB value, then click save. Need to currency variables already created, so find out currency. So I need to change create a trigger, so click on plus icon, then click custom event, then go to our tag manager debug view, then copy event name, then put here and says the name, then click save changes. Then need to change this event FB checkout text, then click save. Then click again preview button, then click continue, then click any product, then click view cart, then click proceed to checkout. If I click here, we will see that our get to cart tag is not fired, so click again home button, then click again view cart, then click on add to cart or add to cart tag fire, then click view cart, then click proceed to checkout. If I check our event manager, we will see that our every tag is here, every tag like initiate checkout, page view, view content and add to cart, everything is here. So now I will tag purchase event, so I will create a demo purchase. This is the demo address, then click on purchase. Our purchase event is here, so I need to create purchase text, so click on. So we need to copy this checkout because our initiate checkout and purchase schema is same, so copy this, then says the name, purchase, then need to change event name, this is the purchase, then need to change object properties, then change that purchase, everything is okay. So need to change event name, triggering custom event, purchase event is custom event is check again, event name is purchase, so copy this purchase and paste here purchase, and click to save changes. So our text setup is done, then click on save button, then click on preview button, then click any product, and click add to cart, then again another product add to cart, then view cart, then click checkout, then click purchase. If you check our debug view, our page view, view content, add to cart, page checkout and purchase tags already fired. If I check again our Facebook event manager, we will see that our every event data is here. So our text setup is okay. So in this part I discuss about how to set up Facebook conversion API and GA4 server side tagging. So let's get started. This is my demo website. I already set up Facebook conversion API, Facebook view content, add to cart and initiate checkout and purchase tagging. Now I will set up some GA4 event like view item, add to cart, initiate checkout and purchase for Facebook conversion API and Google Analytics 4. So firstly, I need to create a Google server container. I already created that. Then click on admin section. Then find out install Google Tag Manager. Then click here. Then click manual provision tagging server. If you want to use Google Cloud Server, you will click here. I want to use Stape server, so I will click here. Then copy this tag. Then go to Stape website. Then create a container. So given a name, I already give a name. Paste this provision code. Then select the server location. I will select a server location. Then click create container. Then source your server plan. I will select this plan. Then click continue with free plan. Then click back to GTM as GTM container. Then copy this URL. Then go back Google Tag Manager. Then click container settings. Then paste as server URL. Then click save. So our Google Tag Manager container connected our website. So I need to configure server container. So click on Google Tag Manager web container. To click here. Then find out Google Analytics. Then click on Google Tags. I need a Google tag ID. Now you will paste your measurement ID. Measurement ID need many times, so I will create constant variable. So click plus icon, then click plus icon, then find out constant, then paste your measurement ID here, paste here, then given a name, measurement ID, then click save. Or constant variable created, so I need a event name. So back to your document, then paste this ID here, then scroll down, add to event some event parameter. Firstly need event name, then paste here, event name page view. So copy again and paste here. Then need some event ID, so copy this event ID, then paste here. Then event ID we will find that plus icon, then click plus icon, then go to discover more variables, type in community template. Then search here event, this is event ID. So click add to workspace, then click add. Our event ID added our workspace. So close this, then click again plus icon, then click plus, then find out event ID. So click save. Our event ID added. I need to create some variable, so copy this event parameter, then click plus icon, then click plus icon, then find out first party. Where is the first party? First party cookie, then underscore, copy this underscore FBP, then given a name FBP, then click save. Need another cookie name like FBC, then copy here and paste here, then click on plus icon, then find out first party cookie, then copy this code, copy this data, then paste here, then given a name FBC. This is the Facebook cookie. I need another event like event time, copy this event time, then paste here. Need to create a custom JavaScript. So find out custom JavaScript, then paste this code, then given a name, event time, then click save changes. Then need some first party collection parameter, so add another, then paste here first party collection true, that configure all pages, then given a name server side, SS means server side page view, our server side page view tag event setup done, so need to click preview button. So click continue, then visit your website, then back to Google Tag Manager debug view. If you see that your Google Tag configuration and server side page view tag already fired, so our setup done. Now I will set up some parameter like view item and add to cart and initiate checkout and purchase. So click again new, then click plus icon, then click Google Tag. Then given the parameter, I already created a measurement ID constant variable, so click here, then find out measurement ID, then given the event name, the go to documents and copy this event name view item, so copy this event name, then paste here, then click some event parameter like event name, event ID, FBP cookie, FBC cookie, event time, first party collection, content type, content name, content ID, value, currency and items. So firstly copy this event name, so copy this event name, then paste here. If you want this document, please check video description, you will find that. Then FBP, then FBC, event time. I already sent this event page view. Need to this data need for every event, so I will create that. Event time, then first party collections, then need to content type, our website content type product, I already discussed about that. Content name, content ID and content value, value like product price, currency and items. Then paste here. Then copy the event name view item. So paste this. Event time I already created. Event ID I already added this, added our workspace. So I find out that event ID, then FBP cookie, then click on plus icon, then find out FBP cookie. This is FBP cookie, then again FBC cookie, this FBC cookie, then find out custom variables for event time, find out event time, this is event time, then need to need first party collections, so a first party collection always true, then content type product, our website content type product. If you view any product, you can see that our website content type product. So back again, then content name I already created some variable previous video, so click the I button or this video description, you will find that video. So click here, then find out DLB item name, this is the variable, then item IDs, DLB item IDs, then value, find out DLB value, this is the item price, the value, currency, click here, then find out DLB currency. Another items already created a variables, this variables, so added this variable, nothing here. Then triggers is view item, then given a name, server side view item, then click save. Now I will see that our view item tag working or not. Click here PV button. And then click any product. Then click Google Tag Manager debug view. You will see that our Google tag configuration, server side page view tag, server side view item tag already fired. So our tag setup is perfectly okay. So now I will set up add to cart. So we can copy this view item. If you see that view item and add to cart schema same, so we will copy this event, then rename, then go back to it, then copy this, then paste here, add to cart, then change event name, then change again event name. I need to change triggering, add to cart event triggers add to cart, so click here, then click save changes, then click preview button, then click any product, then click on add to cart. If you see that our all tag fired, so our event setup perfectly okay. So now I will set up server side initiate checkout and purchase. So let's get start. Then click on new, then find out Google Analytics GA4 event, then given your measurement ID, I already created a measurement ID constant variable, then given a event name begin checkout, you already know that, then paste here, then create some event parameter, add some event parameter likes event name, event ID, FBP cookie, FBC cookie. It's need for Facebook conversion API. this is the event name, so copy this event name, then paste here, then event ID, edit, then click on plus icon, then find out event ID, then FBP cookie, then FBC cookie, then edit FBP cookie, and FBC cookie, then need to event ID, event time, then first party collection, event time already created, event first party collection always true, then content type, our website content type products, so given product here, content name, content IDs, then value, currency, and items. So added this DLB item name and DLB item ID, then value created another variable, so this is DLB value. Sorry, we need to change some variables like this. I already created a custom JavaScript variable previous video, so added this. So item names, this JavaScript variable, and item IDs. It's for initiate checkout and purchase event. So another custom IDs, then currency, already created DLB currency and items, find out e-commerce items. So our parameter event done. Now I need to triggering. So triggering is begin checkout triggering. So given a name, server side checkout text, then save. Now I need to click preview button. Our text setup perfectly okay or not. I want to check that. Then click any product, then click add to cart, then click view cart, then click proceed to checkout. If you see that our all tag already fired, our FBP purchase tag not fired because we are not purchase any product. So I want to purchase. If you see that our FB purchase tag fired, now I will set up server side purchase tag. So need to click here. Then if you see that our data layer, you will see some customer information. I need to send that. This is the customer information. So I need to create some extra variable like this. If you see that, like user data, email, user phone number, user first name, last name, country, address, city, everything. So I will create that. So firstly I will copy server side checkout event, copy this, then change the name. I want to set up that for purchase, so given purchase, need to change event name, then here purchase event name, then add some event data, then click change purchase triggering, added value. After items, I need to add user email, user email address. So here, how can we find user email address? If you check our data layer, then copy this order data and click here, then click again data layer variable, then paste here, then click dot, then find out next, this is customer, then paste here, then click dot, because this is the object. After object, index start from dot, then click email. Sorry, we want to track email, so find out email. Where is email? So click here email, then copy this, then paste here. Sorry, not, I need something. This is billing, then email, billing dot, then billing, then email. So given a name email, then click save. Then need another event like phone numbers, copy this, then paste here, then create a variable, data layer variable. I create again, then find out data layer variable, then copy order data, this is order data, then paste here, then click dot, then customers, then dot, then billings, then dot, then phone number. So where is phone number? This is phone number, so copy this, then paste here, then given a name variable, then click save. Then need another parameter like user address first name, so paste here, then copy again last name, then user address, then postal code, then transaction ID, then shipping, then items already added this item here, this is the items, so need tax, shipping, then tax, then affiliation, then coupon. No need this, so I need user first name, so click here, then find out data layer variable, this is data layer variable, need first name, so copy this information, then paste here, then given a name, first name, then click save. Then need to call last name event data, so click plus icon, then click, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then given a name last name, then click save. I need to country data, so click plus icon, then find out data layer variable, then click save, then given variable name, then click save. I need city information, copy this city informations, then paste here, then click sense. If you check again data layer, you will see that where is city. Firstly need to order data, then customers, then billing. You will find city here, so these are same, so click save changes. Then need to postal code, then click data layer variable. I want to create here, so firstly need data layer, then click dot, then customer, copy, then paste here, and click dot, then need to vary billings, then find out postal, this is the postal, then given a name. Now need transaction ID. If you where we find out transaction ID, if you check again where is transaction ID, e-commerce, then transaction ID. So need to create a variable for transaction ID. So click here, then click plus icon, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then click dot, then need dot, then copy transaction ID, then paste here, then given a variable name, then click save changes. Need shipping, so we will find here shippings, then copy this, or you can use a data layer for create shipping. Where shipping, if I check again data layer, firstly e-commerce, then shippings, because this is the object, so after object index start from dot. So firstly need e-commerce, then shipping. So I create again, then click save, then need tags, copy this e-commerce tag, then click on plus icons, then click data layer variable, then given a name like tags, then need affiliation. You will find affiliation here, or you can check again your data layer where affiliation e-commerce, then affiliation. So now I will create this variable for affiliations, then find out data layer variable, then paste here affiliation, then given a name affiliation, then click save. Now need to coupon, so I will create a variable for coupon. So you find out data layer variable, then paste here, then given a name coupon, then click save. Our event data done, so now I click save, then click on preview button. Our purchase event tag working or not, I want to check that. Then firstly visit your website, then click on any product. If you check debug view, your page view content, Google tag configuration, server side page view, and server side view item tag already fired. Then click on add to cart. You can see that your server side and Facebook add to cart tag already fired. Then click on view cart. Then click proceed to checkout. Our checkout tag already fired. Now I will create a demo purchase. Then click on place order. You will see that your server side and Facebook purchase tag already fired. So our setup already done. Now I need to work for server container. This is our server container. You will check that our purchase event, page view event, begin checkout event, and add to cart event working nicely. So I need to create triggers for a server container. So go to Google Tag Manager server container, then click on triggers, then click on new, then click custom event, then click on some custom event, then find out this is the event name. Then here you will click mesh rejects. Firstly copy your event name, like if you check here, firstly need here, firstly copy page view, then paste here, then create a sign, given a sign like pipe icon, then copy view items, copy this event name, then paste here, then again give, then add to cart event, copy this add to cart event, then paste, then find out begin checkout event. This is the begin checkout event, then copy this event, then paste here, then sign again, then find out purchase event. This is the purchase event, copy this purchase event, then paste here. Now I will given a name, server trigger, then click save changes. Sorry, I need to select custom event, this custom event, so click save. So I need to configure a tag, so click on tags, then click new icon, then click discover more text type in community template gallery, then search on Facebook, then this is the tag template, then click to add to workspace, then click add. Our conversion API tag already added our Google Tag Manager server container, then paste your pixel ID, then go to your event manager like Facebook event manager, then click on settings, then copy the dataset ID, then paste here, then need a API access token. To use this conversion API you need to an access token. So go to event manager, then scroll down, then find click generate access token, needed some time. For a more customizable options, set up the conversion API meta pixel by direct integration. You will need to develop support for this process. This copy this this access to API access token, then paste here. Need a test event, Code used to verify that your server event are received correctly by conversion API. Use this code to test your server event in the test event feature in the event manager. So need a test event code, then click test event, then copy this test code, then paste here, then click check mark this extend meta pixel cookie like FBP FBC cookie. I already created that. Then enable event and event enhancement. Then need to triggering. So I already created a trigger. So click here, then click save. Our text setup done. I need a work for Facebook web conversion tracking. I need to add a event ID for every conversion likes page view, view cart, add to cart, and checkout. So firstly I need a event ID here. Then click here page view. Then click more settings. Then find out event ID. Then click save changes. Edit our event ID. Then again edit again. So then again need for view content. Find out more settings, then click on plus icons, then click event ID, then click save changes, then click add to cart. Why need event ID? Set the event ID parameter in case you are tracking the same event server side as well. The event ID can be used to deduplicate the same event if sent from multiple source. So added event ID. Where event ID? Event ID, then click save. Then click again checkout. Then click more settings, then click plus icon. Then find out event ID, then click save. Need added for purchase event, Facebook purchase event. So find out more settings, then click on plus icon, then find out event ID, then click save changes. Our Facebook conversion web conversion API event ID added done. Now I will click to preview button. Then back to again server container, then click preview button. Then go to your website, then click any product. Then click add to cart. Then click view cart. Then click proceed to checkout. Then click place order. If you see that all tags are fired, if I check our Facebook event manager, we will see that our view content deduplicated, then our add to cart event deduplicated, then our initiate checkout event deduplicated. Now purchase event will be deduplicated. Need sometimes I need to some work Google Tag Manager web container, then click transformations, then click a new, then find out exclude parameter. I need to add some parameter that's no need for Facebook, so I need to exclude that. So need some row, then go to Google Tag Manager web container, then click purchase. If you see that coupon, affiliation, tax, shipping, transaction ID is not useful Facebook, so I will remove event for Facebook. So copy this transaction ID, then paste here, then again copy shipping, then paste here, then tax, paste here, then affiliation, paste here, then added another row, need copy coupon, then here, then copy again coupon, then paste here. Then I need to click sum, then include our Facebook conversion tag. This parameter are no need for Facebook, so given a name. This is not for Facebook, so given FB, then click save. All done. Now I want to send some parameter for Google Analytics for this event, like transaction ID, shipping, tax, affiliation, coupon. So I need to go Google Tag Manager server container. This is server container. Then click on tags. Then click on new. Then edit a template like Google Analytics for events. Then need to measurement ID. And copy measurement ID. Then paste here. Then copy this team ID. Then paste here. These are okay. Then triggerings, click this triggering, then click save changes. Before clicking save changes, I need to exclude some parameters. There's no need for Google Analytics 4. No need this like event name, event ID, FBP cookie, FBC cookie, event time, content ID. It's not no need for Google Analytics 4. So copy this event name, then paste here, then event ID. So event ID, paste here, FBP cookie, no need, then FBC, paste here, event time, no need for Google Analytics 4, then content type, content IDs, and this content IDs. These are no need for Google Analytics 4. So click save. So our setup done. Then click on preview button. Then click save. Then click preview button. Need to preview Google web container and a server container. Then visit your website. Then click add to cart. then click view cart, then click proceed to checkout, then purchase a demo purchase, or all tags are fire. If you check again, Google Tag Manager server container, our Facebook conversion API tag and Google Analytics tags already fired. If you check Google Analytics for our view item purchase, begin checkout and add to cart triggers data is here. So our setup totally okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to unlock the full potential of Google Ads, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, Google Ads conversion tracking for browser and server side. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to set up and optimize conversion tracking in Google Ads. Whether you are beginner or looking to refine your campaign, this guide will help you accurately track what's driving result and where you can improve. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to know what is Google Ads conversion tracking. Google Ads conversion tracking is a free tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaign. It helps you to understand how your ads are driving valuable customer actions such as purchase, signups, or calls. Conversion tracking can help you see how effectively your ad click lead to valuable customer activity on your website such as purchase, signups, and form submissions. Benefits of Google Ads conversion tracking measure success. You can see which campaign ad and keyword are driving the most conversion, helping you identify what's working and what's not. Optimized campaign, you can make data-driven decision to improve your campaign, such as adjusting bids, keyword, and ad group. Track view, you can calculate the return on investment of your Google Ads spending, helping you justify your advertising budget. Understand customer behavior, you can gain insight into how customers interact with your ads and website, helping you to make more informed marketing decisions. Now I will set up Google Ads conversion tracking. This is my demo website. You already know that. Already set up this website, Facebook conversion API and GA4 server-side tracking. So now I will set up Google Ads conversion tracking in this website. I already created Google Tag Manager's web container and server container. So now I will set up Google Tag for Google Ads. So click on New. Then again click Google Ads, then find out Google Tags. Lead to Google Tag associate with your Google Ad account. So I need a tag ID. A tag is an identifier that you put on your page to load a given Google tag. So where we find this tag? Firstly, need to go Google Ads account, then click on goals, then summary, then click new conversion action. Then click on website, then paste your website URL, then click scan. After scan, you will see that create conversion action manual is using code. So click on add a conversion action manually. Firstly, I want to tag purchase event. So firstly, we will select purchase, then given a name. Then these settings are by default. So enter your conversion name, then scroll down. Measure the impact your advertising by given conversion value. Use the same value for each conversion. If you only sell one type of product, enter this value of each sale. For example, if you sell only one product for 20 USD price, assign a value for 20. For each sale, Google Ads will record a value of 20. If you click here, use different value for each conversion. If you sell multiple products at different prices, you can give each of them a different value. Unique value is recorded for each conversion. So I will select that. Then every settings is by default. Then click on done. Then click on save and continue. I need to set up Google tags, so click on setup or click see event snippet. Click on manually, then click this ID. Copy this ID. So copy this ID, then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container. Then need a server container. So need a server container URL. Then copy this server container from Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on container settings. Then copy this server URL. So then paste here. Then click on triggering. Then select all pages. Give a name Google tag, add configurations. Then click on set. Now I need to set up another conversion linker. So click again Google Ads, then find out conversion linker, then select triggering all pages, then click save. Now need to preview your Google Tag Manager web container. Paste your website URL. Then click on any product. I already set up this type of event like page the event, view content event. Recently, I will set up Google Tag Add configurations and conversion linker. So click on add, then again click on view card, then proceed to checkout, then click on place order. Now click on Google Tag Manager debug view. We will say that all of tags are fired or initial checkout is not working. So I will fix that next time. Now I need to click Google Tag Manager. I need to add a conversion, Google Ads conversion tagging. So add this template, then need a Google Ads conversion ID. Where you find Google Ads conversion linker, click again Google Tag Manager, then close this, then click on done, then click on purchase, then click on tag for purchase, then select Google Tag Manager. This is the conversion ID, so copy this ID. Then again back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then paste here Google Tag Manager conversion ID, need a conversion label. Back again Google Tag Manager, copy this conversion label. Then paste here. Need added conversion value. Conversion value, where we find conversion value? Back to your Google Tag Manager debug view, then click again purchase. If you click data layer, then scroll down. If you check e-commerce, then value. So need this value. So I already created some variable for value. So I will search on here value. This is the value. Then need to transaction ID. Where we will find transaction ID? Please check again Google Tag Manager debug view. E-commerce, then this is the object, after object index start from dot, so e-commerce dot transaction ID. So I already created a transaction ID variable, so click again here, then search on transaction, this transaction ID, then need currency code. Where we find out currency code? Back again Google Tag Manager debug view. First need e-commerce, then objects start, after object index start from dot, so e-commerce dot currency. I already created currency variable, so search on currency, this is currency variable. I need to provide some user provided data, so click here include user provided data from your website. Then click new variables. Manual configuration need email. So click here. Then select email. I already created email variable. Then need to phone number. Where will phone number find out? This is the phone number variable. Now need to first name. So I will select this variable. Then need to last name. Where we find out last name. I already created variable for last name. So last name here. Need a street. So I need to create a street variable. So click here. Then click new variable. Then select data layer variable. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager debug view. Firstly need order data, then paste here, then dot, because this is the array, then customer data, then dot again, then billings, copy this billing, then dot again, then need to street. First name select address 1. This is the street address. Then paste here. Then give a name street. Then click save. Need again city. I already created city variable. Where this city variable. This is the variable. Then need to region. Where we found to region, we can give city state here. So first you need to copy order data, copy again, then click here, then click new variables, then find out data layer, then paste order data, then dot, then customers, paste here, then dot, then billing, then dot, then select on region. Why region? State, then give a name, variable name. I need to select country. I already created country variable. Where we country find out. Firstly need order data, then customers, then billing, then country. I already created. Then postal code. Already created postal code variable. This is the postal code. Then click to save. User provided data. Then click save. Now I need to create a trigger. I already created purchase trigger. So select this, then give a name. This is the purchase. This is the purchase conversion taking. So give a name purchase, then click save. Then click again preview button. Then view any product, then click on add to cart, then click on view cart, then proceed to checkout, then click on place order.
Okay.
If you see that our all of tag configuration taggers fired, so now our setup is okay. Now I will set up. So now we will set up begin checkout for Google Ads. So click on Google Ads, then click on back. Then create a conversion actions. Then paste again your website URL. Copy our website URL, then paste here. Then click on scan. Then add a new conversion. Then select on begin checkout. Then give a name. Checkout. Every settings now okay. Then click on add. Then click on settings. No need. Click on settings. Then click save and continue. Then click on done. Then again click on checkout. Then select tag for checkout. Then select Google Tag Manager. Then back to your Google Tag Manager web container. Then click on add new. Then find out Google Ads conversion tagging. Then need a conversion ID. So copy conversion ID here. This is the conversion ID. Then paste here. Need a conversion level. So copy conversion level from Google Ads. Then paste here. Need a conversion value. So click on plus icon. Then find out value. Find out value. This is the DLP value. Then need a transaction ID. You know that after purchasing you will find transaction ID, so no need this. Need currency code. So click on plus icon. Then find out currency. Wire currency. This is the currency variable. Then click on include user provided data from your website. Then click here. Then select already created user provided data variable. Then click here. Need to triggering. So if you know that after clicking initiate checkout page, our begin checkout event tag is fired. So now I need to create triggers. Then give it a name. This is the checkout event, Google Ads checkout event. So give a name. Then click save. I will create Google add to cart event setup for Google Ads. So need to go back to your Google Ads account. Then click back. Then click on add a new conversion. Then paste your website URL. So copy again your website URL. Then paste here. Then click scan. After scan, need to click add a conversion action manually. Then select on add to cart. Then give it a name. Add to cart. If this setting is okay, then click done. Then click save and continue. Then click use Google Tag Manager. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container. Then click on new. Then find out Google Ads conversion event. Then need a conversion ID. So copy again conversion ID. Then paste here. Need a conversion level. So copy this add to cart conversion level. Then paste here. Then need a conversion value. So I already created variable for value. So select value. No need this. I need a currency code. So I already created currency value. So search on currency. Select here. Then click again include user provided data from your website. Then select user provided data. Then need to triggering. So find out add to cart triggers. Then click to save. Then give a name. Google Ads conversion tagging for add to cart. Then click save. Then click again preview button. Now I will check our Google Ads conversion tag setup okay or not okay. So click again any product. Then click again add to cart. If you check that our Google Ads conversion configuration, conversion linker and Google Ads conversion add to cart tag already fired, then again click view cart. Then click on proceed to checkout. Then click on place order. Our Google Ads conversion tagging web conversion setup done. Now I will set up for server side. So then now click on Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on workspace. Then click on tags. then click on new, then find out Google Ads. Then firstly need to set up conversion linker. This setups all pages, then click on save. Then again click on new, then find out Google Ads conversion tracking. I will create this. So go back to your Google Ads account, then click on purchase. This is the purchase. Then click on tag for convert purchase, then find out conversion, copy this, then paste here. Then need a conversion level, so copy again conversion level, then click here. No need this, so now click on provide customer data. This is the event data. I already created this type of variables for Google Tag Manager web conversion, so no need for server container. So then click on triggering. I need to create a purchase trigger. So find out custom event, then put purchase, then give a purchase trigger name, purchase trigger, then click on save. Then give a purchase tag, then click save. Now I will set up server container for begin checkout. So again click on new, then find out Google Ads, then find out Google Ads conversion linker, then need a conversion ID. So go back to your Google Ads account, then find out checkout, then click on tag setup, then select Google tag, copy conversion ID, then paste here. Then again need to conversion level, so copy again conversion level, so paste here. Need conversion value. I already created conversion value for web container, so no need here. Provide event data, then click on triggering. I need to create a triggers for begin checkout. Where you find out begin checkout trigger? If you click on Google Tag Manager debug view, you will find that begin checkout event. So I need to click again preview. Then click any product. Then click on add to cart. Then click on view cart. Now need to click proceed to checkout. You will see that here begin checkout event for when you will click on it, proceed to checkout. This begin checkout tag created. So copy this begin checkout. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager server container. Then paste here. Then create this trigger's name. Then click save. Now give a name for checkout. Then click on save. Now I need to click a Google Tag Manager. Now I need to set up Google Ad conversion tagging for add to cart. So click again Google server container, then click on new, then find out Google Ads, then added Google Ad conversion tagging, then need a Google conversion ID. So back to your Google Ads account, then find out add to cart, then click on add to cart, then click tag setup, then click Google tag, and copy your conversion ID, then paste here. Then need a conversion level, so copy again conversion level, then paste here this type of value. So click on provide a new customer data, event data, then need to create a trigger. Then so click on plus icon, then select custom event. Need a event name. So click again your Google Tag Manager debug view, select add to cart. If you check that event add to cart, so copy this event, then back to your Google Tag Manager server container, then paste here, then give a name, trigger name, then click it. Give a name for add to cart, then click it. Now our setup done. Now need to click preview button. Again back to your Google Tag Manager web container, click on preview. If you check Google Tag Manager debug view, our conversion API tag, Google Tag Manager GA4 conversion API tag, conversion linker tag already fired. Then click again a new product. Then click add to cart. Then again click on proceed to checkout. If you check again our Google Tag Manager web container debug view, our Google Tag Manager checkout tag already fired, add to cart tag already fired. If you check again server container debug view, our Google Ad conversion tagging checkout trigger already fired. Then again click on place order. Our Google Tag Manager web container add to cart purchase tag already fired. Again check on Google Tag Manager server container. Our Google Tag Manager Google Ads conversion tagging purchase tag already fired. So our setup is now okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving in an advanced topic, setting up a custom domain for server-side tagging. If you are interested in improving your data accuracy, privacy compliance and website performance, then this is a must watch. Let's get started. So first up, what is server-side tagging? Instead of relying on client-side script like Google Tag Manager, server-side tagging allow you to collect user data directly from your server. There are three major advantages here: increased data accuracy, enhanced privacy compliance, improve performance. By using server-side tagging, you can bypass browser limitation, work around ad blocker, and even fit your website. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants more reliable data and better compliance with privacy regulations. Alright, now let's talk about why do you want to use a custom domain for server-side tagging. Using a custom domain like subdomain of your main website brings three main benefits: first-party cookie, enhanced security, improve branding. First-party cookie: with a domain tied to your site, you can set first-party cookie which are less likely to be blocked by browser and have a longer lifespan. Enhanced security: hosting tracking on your own domain means you control this security so your user data stays safe. Improve branding: a custom domain show user that the data collection process is directly tied to your brand, which can build trust. Now we will know how to set up first party custom domain setup. So let's get started. This is my demo website. I want to set up first party domain for this website. So firstly need to go to your server website. This is my server website. I already set up this container. So firstly need to click here, then add custom domain. So type your custom domain. Firstly need to copy my website domain, then paste here, then delete this part, then type server, then dot, then this is my custom domain. Then I need to click please add correct CNAME record your domain. Stape will verify it and add this custom domain to your container. It may take 72 hours. So first I need to go to my cPanel, then click on add record, then paste your valid zone name. So copy this name, then paste here. Sorry, these are not. Then select here CNAME, then paste your custom domain here, then go back to your server, then copy this, then paste here, then click save record, then go back to your Stape server, then click on verify. You need to sometimes here verifying. Now I need to click on powers up. I need to set up custom loader. Custom loader helps make you Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 script more resistant to red blocker and iTps. So click on use, then click here custom loader turn on, then click save. So I need to paste here Google Tag Manager ID. So go back to my Google Tag Manager web container, then copy this ID, then click here, then select this CTM ID, then copy, then go back to your server, then paste here, then select others, then click generate. This code is generated. I need to paste this code on my website head section and this code on body section. This copy this code, then go back to your website dashboard. So click here, then find out appearance, then scroll down theme file editor, then click understand, then find out header PHP. Make sure they insert this code as close as possible to head sections. So I need to paste this code after head section. So find out head, this is the head sections, then paste here this code, then again back to your Stape, then copy this code. Additionally, paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. So go back to your website, then paste here, this is the body code, then paste here this code, then click update file. Then go back to your Stape server, then copy your custom website URL. This is my custom website URL, so copy this, then go back to your Google Tag Manager server container, then click on admin sections, then click again container, then paste your custom server URL, then click save. Then again back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then find out your Google Tag configuration, then change this your server URL, then paste your server custom server container, then save. Then again back to your Google Ads configuration, then paste here, then click save changes. Our setup done. Thank you for watching and investing in your digital marketing skill with Analyst Sultan. If you are ready to master tracking in privacy first world, make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified of your latest tutorials. Got questions about Facebook conversion APIs, GA4 and Google Ads server-side tracking? Drop them in the comment and I will be happy to, or feel free to reach out through WhatsApp, Facebook or LinkedIn. I had loved to connect and support your journey. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep learning, and let's make those insights count. See you in the next video.